Good morning, dear student. Today we will discuss about the DC motor characteristics. DC motor characteristics. DC motor characteristics may further classified into three category. Yeah, we are plotting in a three way. First is speed versus armature current. Speed versus armature current. B. Speed versus torque. Speed versus C. Torque versus armature current. Armature current. These are characteristics which we have to discuss. Yeah, we have to plot the characteristics. First, speed versus armature current. Second, speed versus torque, and third is torque versus armature current. First of all, we are taking DC shunt motor. First case taken as DC shunt motor. We draw the graph between speed versus speed versus armature current. As we know that the EMF equation E is equal to, which in previous lecture I have been derived, E is equal to Ka phi omega, where omega is the EA divided by Ka phi. We know in case of motor, Vt is equal to EA plus IA Ra, then EA is equal to Vt minus IA Ra. From equation 1 and 2 we get omega is equal to Vt minus IA Ra divided by Ka phi, or Vt divided by Ka phi minus Ia Ra divided by Ka phi. If we are plotting the graph between speed versus armature current, this is the speed, this is the IA, this is omega, this is Ia. The speed is almost constant, and if we see the this equation, when armature current increases, when armature current increases, the omega will decreases. At the same time, if we are taking two cases, in a first case is at a low armature current, at a low armature current, the flux will be constant. If we are talking about if armature current is high, then the armature reaction is dominated. Due to the armature reaction, flux is reduces. Reduction of the flux increases the speed. That's why at a initial condition, at initial condition, when Ia is low, then flux is constant. After that, when Ia is high, then flux decreases due to armature reaction. ड्यूरिंग इनिशियल कंडीशन की अगर बात करें तो यहाँ पे आई आर ए ड्रॉप होगा, तो सीधे सीधे ड्रॉप जो है हम दिखाएंगे, जिसकी वजह से जो है हमारा स्पीड डिक्रीज होगा. स्पीड को हमने दिखा दिया. आई आर ए के वजह से जो है हमारा स्पीड जो है डिक्रीज हो रहा है. और फिर इसके बाद जो है जैसे ही आई ए करंट जो है इंक्रीज होगा, उस केस में क्या होगा, हमारा फ्लक्स बढ़ेगा. जब फ्लक्स बढ़ेगा तो स्पीड हमारा इंक्रीज होगी, स्लाइटली स्पीड इंक्रीज होगी. ए आर कंसीडर्ड, ए आर neglected. These are the characteristics of the DC shunt motor, speed versus armature current. And after that, speed versus torque. Speed versus torque. As we know that the equation omega is equal to Vt divided by Ka phi minus Ia Ra divided by Ka phi, where T is equal to K phi Ia is equal to T by K phi from equation 1 and equation 2. Omega is equal to Vt divided by Ka phi minus Te Ra divided by Ka phi का होल स्क्वायर. graph plotted between speed and torque. This is the speed omega and this is the torque T. T. Here this is the constant speed. This is the AR, armature reaction neglected. And this is the armature reaction considered. As from this derivation, if we are increasing the motor torque, the speed will be decreases from this point to this point due to the, if at initial condition when IA is low, then flux phi is constant. When IA is high, then flux decreases due to armature reaction, and this flux is the denominator of this part. That's why this speed is decreases here. I draw here to there. This is the characteristics of the DC shunt motor speed versus torque characteristics. Last characteristics is the torque versus armature. Torque versus armature current. As we know that T equal to Ka phi Ia during low value of Ia, during low value of Ia, phi is constant, then sorry T equal to Ka phi Ia, then we can draw the graph. This graph start from T with armature reaction, T without armature reaction. This is the torque, this is the armature current IA. Thank you very much. From this equation, T equal to K phi Ia. If Ia increases, then T is increases. If armature reaction is taken, then graph is decreases from here to there. If armature reaction is neglected, then this graph is increases here to there. This is the characteristics of the DC shunt motor, torque versus armature current. Thank you very much.